It even has the engine start stop button. Let me see. See if I can. There we go. Get a little focus. Oh. You want to go away on me? Guess what? We're going right back to it. Press and hold. Boom. Remote start. Now, these do come in red. They come in silver. Oh yeah, that silver look just like the Maserati key. It's got a key ring hole. It comes in blue as well as black. You know, LCD smart key, we got them all. We got all of the colors. Again, this is the V7. You know, we got the V6 in stock now. We also have the V5 in stock now. We have the V4, the V3. I even got V2s back in stock. Red and black back in stock. V1s, still have those in stock. You know, that's the silver and black one. I got one of those somewhere over there. I put them all back in the plastic. Let me get one. We got the V1s back in stock. Again, hit me up, lcdsmartkey.com. I'm gonna keep the video short. I just wanted to show you guys we do have the V7s in stock. I'm the first one with them. I'm always the first one with them. If you ever want to see how one of these looks, hit me up. Subscribe to the YouTube. Again, Tesla signing out. V7s, y'all.
We gotta teach these boys, man. We gotta teach these boys something. They ain't come up on nothing. Yeah. Don't hear. I got you. Yeah.
I just got some dough. I just got some dough. I should buy some clothes.